Good evening, everyone. Welcome to La Music Circle. Thank you for being here. Give it up for all of you guys. It's our 4th anniversary, La Music Circle 4th anniversary. I really don't know where time flies. I guess, as I always like to say, listening to awesome Canadian music. And you guys are just what's the word again? Awesome. Absolutely awesome. So give it up to all our Canadian musicians who are here, independent talent, whom we are, profiling. Not only at La Music Circle, but also on the TV show, and then in the magazine, the Musically Yours magazine, which we are just about to have the summer launch. I'm so very excited. We've got amazing talent profiled in the book as well, the magazine. Now, before we start our competition, you know what La Music Circle is all about. How I started it, when I started the TV show, I was appalled to realize that people don't have recorded material, especially the up and coming. And to be on the TV show, you need 4 original songs, no covers whatsoever. And many, the professionals, of course, they did have, but the others don't and can't afford. So what I started was La Music Circle, where we, we have esteemed judges with us, who judge whatever, it's difficult. It's because we have awesome talent on stage all the time, but we find, good musicians, good singers, songwriters who need our help, and we give them 2 free recordings, and then they compete again and again. Anyhow, a wee bit of American Idol here, but different because I'm the mama bear and make sure that you get a free recording, and in our small world, you get that exposure, which I think you truly deserve. So after La Music Circle, then the TV show, and now the magazine. Through La Music Circle, we also offer free music lessons to youth in collaboration with Big Brothers Big Sisters. I have an awesome team again behind, making sure we give piano and guitar lessons to youth. Right now we are sticking with guitar lessons, but if you have any piano teachers here in the audience who are willing to give their free time twice a month, we would appreciate if you'd come and have a chat with me later on. We have awesome sponsors who always make sure we get the free recording from MIDI Melodies in Scarborough. Please give it up, because without this guy, Varman at MIDI Melodies, we won't be able to afford that 4-hour free recording session. Also give it up for Not Lamb Productions in Brampton. Again, amazing guys. We have Rogers TV, where my TV show is, Rogers TV, and also TV Kojiko, but that's in the Niagara region. But here, right now, in the Peel region, Rogers TV also offers some prizes to the winners. So give it up for Rogers Peel. We have Gourmet Malaysia. Again, it's funny that we don't find sponsors from here. No, rather, I don't go after. But these are my friends. So this guy is in Markham, Gourmet Malaysia. He's giving us three prizes today. One for the youth group, whoever wins, get to go and dine there. Then the above 16 category, and the best dressed. And I'm telling you, judges, look at me today. Okay, I like to go to that restaurant. And then we also have to thank this awesome venue. I mean, I have no words again to the Rock Pile. I've been here 4 years, so thank you, the Rock Pile. And then again, I can scream, shout, jump about the place, go work, do my TV shows, whatnot. But when we come here, we need the best audio. And I've got the best guy in the business, Jake Disman. Give it up for Jake. Just recently, I mean, this guy travels the world now. He goes on tour with big bands. And the other day, for a minute, I got scared. Oh my God, Jake is not in the house. And Jake is saying, no, Deirdre, I'm here. Phew, thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for what you do. And also, I can dream. I can have all these visions. At the end of the day, it takes a lot of people to do what we do. So my heartfelt thanks to the awesome crew who's here with me today. Thank you very much. Give yourself a big round of applause. And you guys thank them, because they not only take all these pictures and whatnot, we record your performances, and which you could use for your promotions, right, later on. So many people to thank, but right now we've got to cut short and say thank you for being here. And our judges, the junior judge we've got here today, the youth category, Belle Matthews, amazing voice. Thank you for being here. Thank you for her father. Where is Daryl? Thank you, Daryl, for bringing Belle to us. And then Brandy is our official judge, per se. Now, Brandy, tell us what you do, my dear. The mic is right in front here. There you go.
Hi, I'm an artist manager at Cloud Empire Creative and Underground Operations.
Yes, and what do you do there? You do a lot of stuff there.
I work directly with our artists in order to get them signed to the label. We also have a label component, so sometimes we sign them ourselves. And we are in charge of getting them sponsors, putting them out on tour, and just kind of taking care of them in the best way possible.
There you go. I love the part where going on tour, making money, right, Brandy? Way to go. That's how we rock and roll here. Please meet up with her. There is a reason why we get down, judges from the industry, so that you get to interact and make sure, your music is heard and you make that those dollars which you so richly deserve. So thank you for being here for the 4th anniversary of Le Musique Circle. And we will have the winner of the spring show, Sabrina, come on stage and, make sure we listen to good music. Start off with a good start. Okay, Sabrina, please give it up for Sabrina.